The Genesis GV70 offers Remote Smart Parking Assist 2, or RSPA 2, which can assist with entering a parking spot by automatically controlling the steering and vehicle speed. For assistance with perpendicular, diagonal, or parallel reverse parking, press the Parking View button while the GV70 is turned on. The gear selector is in drive, and the brake pedal is depressed. Slowly drive forward, no faster than 12 miles per hour, while maintaining a distance of approximately 40 inches from the parked vehicles. A Searching for Parking Space screen will appear on the infotainment screen as a GV70 automatically searches for nearby available parking spots. For RSPA 2 to function, the system may need to see vehicles on both sides of the available parking space. After a space is detected, select parking type will be displayed on the infotainment screen, and the selected parking space will appear on the infotainment screen. Depress the brake pedal and touch the infotainment screen to select, or use the central controller to select the desired parking type. You can select between smart parking or remote parking modes. Smart parking will automate the parking process for you while you remain inside the vehicle. If you select smart parking, press and hold the Parking View button while depressing the brake pedal. As the brake pedal is released, Remote Smart Parking Assist will automatically control the steering, speed, and gear selection to guide the vehicle into the parking space. Note that the vehicle may move back and forth several times to ensure a perfect parking position, and you can still use the brake at any time. The vehicle will automatically guide itself into the selected parking space as long as the Parking View button is continuously held down. If the Parking View button is released, parking is paused until the button is pressed and held down again. Once you receive the Parking Completed confirmation message, you can release the Parking View button and turn off the vehicle. If you'd prefer to exit the GV70 before parking takes place, remote parking allows you to control parking from outside the vehicle. To select remote parking, shift the gear to park. Get out of the vehicle with the smart key fob and close all doors and the liftgate. Press and hold either the forward or backward buttons on the smart key. Note that RSPA 2 only operates when the smart key is within 13 feet of the vehicle, and key fob communication range may be affected by other transmission signals in your area. If you release the button, remote parking will be paused until the button is held again. Remote Smart Parking Assist 2 will automatically control the steering, speed, and gear selection. When the vehicle finishes parking, it will emit a Parking Complete chime, display a Parking Completed message on the infotainment, and the vehicle will be turned off. Use the smart key fob to lock all doors and ensure the sunroof is fully closed before leaving. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.